Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Denoiser plugin in OBS Studio. First, open your browser and go to the plugins for free. Then search for Denoiser and open this plugin page. Now download the 64-bit VST plugin. After the download is complete, open the zip file and extract it to your desktop. Next, open the extracted folder, go to VST, then 64-bit and copy the denoiser file. After that, open this PC, then go to the Programs files and open Common Files. If you don't already have a folder called VST2, create a new folder and name it VST2. Then paste the denoiser file inside that folder. Now open OBS Studio, right click on your microphone and select Filters. Click the plus icon, choose VST plugin and add it. In the plugin drop down menu, select BL Denoiser. Open it and click Learn. Then adjust the settings however you want until the background noise is removed and your voice sound clean. And that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.